That's stock.
Pretty good.
It's so hard to tell.
You took that 35 out, did you?
Yeah. just a wee bit too much.
I would have
motor.
liked to see that.
It frickin' sand on the damn prop and it's wheelie down the damn straight.
What are you gonna put the 35 in?
I don't know. I don't have a boat for it. It needs to go in that Apache thing I gave you.
What do you want for the motor?
I'll just give it to you, bud.
No. Did you win it or something?
Yeah, I won at the raffle.
Oh shit.
I won this motor and that 35 in the raffle.
Is it modified?
Yeah, it's a BH Hansen modified 35. Are you ever going to build that boat with the twin, or you want the single?
No, I'm just going to put a single in that.
Okay.
I have a boat now for the twin.
Okay.
I got a boat just like Bruce's for the twin.
Okay.
And I done figured out how to work on the twins. So yeah, I'm going to put a single in that.
Okay, well that's a good motor then.
Huh?
That's a good motor for that then.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I've just been waiting to get a 35.
Okay. Yeah, I got nothing to put that thing in, so in short of me building a super boat or something else.
Oh, but you had one and you got rid of it.
Exactly,
So what you
exactly.
do,